If Adobe Premiere Pro is showing a low system memory warning or it keeps lagging, freezing, or crashing while you edit, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best fixes step by step so you can get Premiere Pro running smoother again and spend less time troubleshooting and more time editing. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips, fixes, and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing you should do is give Premiere Pro more memory to work with. To do that, go up to Edit, then Preferences, and then click Memory. Here, you'll see an option to reserve RAM for other applications. If Premiere Pro is running low on memory, that usually means too much RAM is being left for other apps and not enough is being allocated to Premiere itself. Lower the amount reserved for other applications so Premiere Pro can use more of your system memory. Once you've adjusted it, click OK and restart Premiere Pro so the change takes effect properly. Next, close any unnecessary background apps. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it makes a big difference. Browsers with a lot of tabs open, games, chat apps, and other heavy software can all use up RAM in the background. Open Task Manager on Windows or Activity, Monitor on Mac, and look for anything you do not need while editing. End those extra processes so Premiere Pro has more resources available. The fewer background apps running, the better your editing performance will usually be. After that, clear your media cache. Over time, Premiere Pro builds up cache files that can become bloated, outdated, or even corrupted, and that can contribute to memory problems. Go back into Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache. From there, click Delete and remove the cache files. If you want, you can clear both the media cache and database files. Don't worry, this will not delete your actual video footage or project files. It simply forces Premiere Pro to rebuild fresh cache files, which can often improve stability. Another very effective fix is to lower playback quality. If your computer is struggling to preview high-resolution footage in real time, Premiere Pro may start using more memory than necessary. In the Program Monitor, find the playback resolution setting and change it from full quality down to 1/2 or even 1/4. This makes playback much lighter on your system and can help reduce the chances of that low memory warning appearing while you edit. You can still export in full quality later, so this is just for smoother editing. If you're editing 4K footage, effects-heavy timelines, or large projects, Proxies can be a game changer. Proxies are lower resolution versions of your clips that make editing much easier on your computer. To create them, right-click your clips, go to Proxy, and then choose Create Proxies. Premiere Pro will generate lighter files that are much easier for your machine to handle. Once the proxies are ready, you can edit with much less strain on RAM and system resources. This is especially helpful if you work on a laptop or a computer with limited memory. You should also make sure Premiere Pro is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and check for updates. Adobe regularly releases performance improvements and bug fixes, and sometimes memory issues are caused by a version-specific problem that gets resolved in a newer update. If you haven't updated in a while, this alone could fix the issue. It's always a good idea to keep both Premiere Pro and your system software updated for the best performance. Now, let's improve your timeline setup. If your sequence has too many layers, too many effects, or heavy third-party plugins, Premiere Pro can start to struggle. Try simplifying the timeline where possible. Remove unnecessary effects, pre-render sections if needed, and reduce the number of stacked clips when you can. You can also go to Sequence and choose Render Into Out to create preview renders. This helps Premiere Pro play back complex sections more smoothly because it doesn't have to calculate everything live every time. If the problem still continues, restart Premiere Pro and restart your computer. This sounds basic, but it can clear temporary memory usage and free up system resources that may have been stuck during editing. A fresh restart often helps if Premiere has been open for a long time or if your computer has been running multiple heavy tasks all day. Finally, check your hardware. Adobe Premiere Pro can be demanding, and if your computer is below the recommended specs, you may keep running into memory issues no matter what settings you change. A minimum of 16 gigabytes of RAM is recommended, but 32 gigabytes is much better for heavy editing, especially if you work with 4K video or effects-heavy projects. Using an SSD for your media and cache also makes a big difference in performance and responsiveness. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix low system memory in Adobe Premiere Pro, start by allocating more RAM, closing background apps, clearing the media cache, lowering playback resolution, using proxies, updating Premiere, optimizing your timeline, restarting your system, and checking your hardware setup. Try these in order, and in most cases, you should see a noticeable improvement If this video helped you fix Adobe Premiere Pro low system memory, please give it a like and subscribe for more editing tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.